Hey, my prepper posse. The generator's going because I've got the AC on. It's hot as badunkadunk. I wanted to show you the new washing machine. It's larger. It's the 40-pound size. I put it on the back deck so we can do laundry. It's the best. It even does blankets. So I'm very happy with it. Remember, I talked about it in one of my earlier videos that I wanted to show you. I hope you can hear me. Look at the size. And this is the spinner. And I like that it's got this on it. It's nice. The water drains out over here. So anyway, it's too loud outside, but it fits perfectly on the back deck. The outdoor shower fits perfectly out there, so all the water sports can be done on the back deck. This is the Patriots, 4Patriots generator, solar. So that's something that can be used on the back deck as well in order to run the shower pump and also the washing machine, and it's got the solar panel. As a bonus, they give you the little one. It's a little guy, and it's great. It runs the fans and all the, charges your phones. It does all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. I know I'm filming through the screens of the bus, but I'm getting ready to head back. I will keep you posted. Back to the grind. Don't forget to play. See you.